All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, well, first off, Bam Bam bought a new toolbox. It's an old Mac, actually probably made by Matco back when they were part of the Mac tool group, but he bought this for $100 off the Matco truck as a teardown box. Basically be able to organize fasteners, stuff like that in here, and have a good work surface for doing kind of bench repairs. $100, nice little organizer for when he's doing big engine jobs, you know, big repairs. He is our heavy line guy, so $100. All right, this GMC Terrain has a noise in the timing chain area. So 2.4, kind of guess something's going on inside the timing chain. All right, if you watched my Wednesday video, you know the deal on this one. This is mine. Right now it's the only one I've got, but it's a good ticket. All right, this IS Lexus, unfortunately, she drove it with a massive coolant leak. There was a stop leak in it, and unfortunately it didn't live. It's got a blown head gasket. So, trying to decide what she's gonna do, but at this point, it's not good. All right, this one is Zach's. It's a 4Runner. He's doing a radiator, differential service, CV axles, spark plugs, brake flush, and they declined the timing belt, so, which there's no record of it being done, so I don't know why he did the axles over the timing belt, but he did, so that's what we're at. But a nice ticket for Zach. This 4Runner is Josh's. He did front wheel bearings, front axles, front and rear brakes, and brake flush. It's a nice ticket. I think he's mostly done with it, but it's a good ticket. Highlander is also Josh's. It's got a broken inside door latch and squeaky seat. So lubed it up and waiting for the approval on the latch, or the handle. Jesse's got an empty bay right now, but he actually has a Land Rover outside doing rear brakes, brake lines, and a brake flush. And he's got the one behind me. He's got a Volvo. He gets to do an evap core. So hopefully it goes well. Leaking evap core. It's AC season in Georgia, as you can, tell. So hope you like this video of what's going on in the shop. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out videos like this so you can see what's going on. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.